Hey everybody, Mrs. Bianchi. We're looking at number 4. Which expression is not equivalent to 9x minus 6? So what does that mean? That means that 3 expressions will be equivalent. 1 will not be equivalent. We want that one. All right, so let's start by, this is in simplest form, by the way, but none of these are. All of them could be simplified. So the ones on the top, we can, these 3, as a matter of fact, can be simplified by distributing. So let's distribute. If we multiply this times this, that would look like this, 9x. Copy the sign, and then this times this, we would get 6x. Now compare that to this. Is that the same thing? Not the same thing, right? So we want ones that are not equivalent. But let's make sure before we decide, let's make sure we go through all the choices, because sometimes you can make a mistake if you just jump for the first thing you see. Let's do this times this. So here we get the 9x, and then this times this. We'll copy that subtraction sign. This times this, we get 6. All right, so far that's one that is equivalent, right? That is equivalent. Remember, we want one that's not. Let's look at this. We have to distribute this. We distribute this, we get the 6x. We'll write it over here. Minus, and then this times this would be, give us this minus 6. And then we still have to combine like terms. So what can be combined here? What are like terms? This and this can be combined. So if we combine that, this, if we have 6 xylophones and we're adding 3 xylophones to it, don't we have 9 xylophones? And then we still have this minus 6. All right, and then here we can also combine like terms. So if we have 12 xylophones and we're taking 3 xylophones away, how many xylophones is that? You figure that out. And then we're subtracting 6 from that. So on this line, or maybe I'll make it a box. If you're taking 3 xylophones away from 12 xylophones, how many xylophones is that? And then compare it to the original expression. So remember, we want the ones that are, we want the one that's not equivalent, not the ones that are. So this one appears to be the same as this. This appears to be the same as this, and check to see if this is going to be the same as this. And if these are all the same, then I think you see what to do. All right, good luck finishing that up.